Hello, this is Noah here from DSP Instruments, DIYDSP.com. I just wanted to make a quick blog post about what I'm doing today. So if you saw some of my other videos, like the multi-video track of all things bright and beautiful, you probably saw this instrument here. I call this the bowed eel, and it works something like this. Anyway, as you can see, this is quite the prototype. A lot of wires hanging off, but I figured out a lot of things over the years with this instrument, and so now I'm putting it into something new. The goals are to have something that can travel really well, something that can fit in the car and stuff like that. So I was going to call this the bowed eel, but now I'm calling it the pyramidal eel because it's triangular. So just over the last week, I've been cutting the panels and mounting everything like that. And it's also got like a little window in here. So just last night, I put in the wires for the generators. And what I'm going to do today is go into the Framingham Makerspace. And I'm going to make the backplane here where all the electronics are going to mount. I'm pretty excited. I've been drawing in CAD and Fusion 360 all morning. Had my coffee and my pancakes, and the air in my apartment is all full of the steam and smoke of blueberries and olive oil and pancakes and stuff like that. So anyway, it's just a quick update. Hopefully at the end of today I'll have something to report that I'll have mounted in there. Maybe not. Anyway, wish me luck.